Oh, look at my knife. Well, this knife is an opener, a number 8. And it's a great little knife, as it is. But it ain't not good if you want to be doing anything fine, like modelling and stuff like that. Now, you see, I tend to use a scalpel when I'm making my model aeroplanes that I do. Not an opener, no. I use one of these, and this is a Swan number 4 scalpel. Fortunately, I broke the blade. And, well, in my lack of wisdom, I decided to go on to Temu and get myself some new blades for this Swan Morton. And I saw you could buy brand new handles with the blades. About 2 or 3 euros. And I thought, well, that's cheap as chips. So I'll buy some of those. So I thought I'd share it with you. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Here is our overhead camera. And here is the Swan Morton number 4, which, it's nice quality, Yeah, it's decent, apart from the blade itself is knackered. Yeah, it broke. Okay. That's no good, is it? No. All right. So, what did I do? Like I say, I went on to Temu, and I bought these. Oh, my God. These handles, all right? You got that one there, okay, which is the Swan Morton. Just look at the difference between them. I know it was cheap, but Swan Morton ones aren't that expensive. This is just pressed out of a piece of steel. And it's, oh crikey, it's just rough. It's almost sharp. And the pressing there, look at the state of that. Can you see that? That's diabolical. Absolutely diabolical. Now, I regret buying these. I'm hoping that the blades will fit my Swan Morton, so I'm just, hopefully use the blades if they're any good. If not, these are a scrap. I bought so much stuff on Temu, and so much of it is, well, it's unusable. It's just crap. I don't know if I'd want to trust this with a scalpel blade in it. No, I don't think I do. There's just no comparison between the two. It's just, the Swan Morton is just decent. That is not. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest, because they are cheap. Now, I need a number 4 for this one more. And let's have a look, see what the blades are like. Like I say, they were cheap. So, should I expect more from them? Maybe. Maybe not. At the end of the day, they have to be serviceable. They've got to be able to do their job. Now, this is a number, it's a small one. I think it's that one there, which is the number 3. Yeah, this is the number 3 blade. There was 2 there. Okay, they say they're surgical, all right? Surgical steel. They're certainly, obviously, it's 3 there. They say they're surgical steel, so let's see if they fit okay. Because I've got my doubts they're even going to fit properly. Because the pressing is so bad. I just stabbed the cut on my finger already. So they're supposed to slide in there. And, oh, okay. It fitted. Not brilliant fit, mind. Will it pull out? No, don't pull out. It's not a great fit, no. So, I had a dog come in. Hello, Sebastian. That call that made me jump. So, are they sharp? Yes, they are very, very sharp. So, will they do the job? I'm sure they will. I'm sure they are. Oh, I suppose, really, they are what they are. Just that these handles are so uncomfortable. I mean, they're so nasty. So, regarding the number 3, I'll probably use it, I suppose. Yeah, for my model making and what have you. But if the number 4 blades fit, I think I'll be using this handle. So I've got the number 4 here. I'm just hoping they fit. If they do, not all's lost, is it? No. Hope not. All these are different shaped blade, to be fair. They're curved blade, which I prefer anyway. Well, I don't know if you can bother. Oh, no, I'll put one in there. I'll put one in there. But whether I use it or not, I don't know. Just don't like it. I just don't trust it. They're quite tricky putting these things on. Actually, you can stab yourself. Oh no, that went nicely. That one did. The bigger one fitted much better. So, oh, but there's a lot of slop in it. There's play in the blade. Feel it, there's movement there. That's not such a great idea. Yeah, no. I didn't expect to be any movement in that one. What about this one? Is there any movement in that? Yeah, a little bit. Not as much as this one, though. Let's try these Chinese blades. I don't know what that says. Maybe you can tell me. What does that say? Let's see whether or not these scalpel blades fit the swan bottom. I just hope they do. Oh, wrong way round. It's not very clever of me. Definitely a tighter fit. Oh my god, that's much nicer fit. And there's no play. So it's not the blades. There's no play there. It's the handles. The blades are actually quite reasonable. Yeah, they're sharp. They're very sharp. So, not all's lost. No. In reliability, these blades have got two blades the same size. One in a shitty holder and one in the Swan Morton. No, they're fine. These blades are good. But this one's not as sharp as the other one. No. The reliability, I don't think that's definitely not as sharp. Well, that could be the paper, to be fair. Yeah, this one feels sharper. Yeah, it's definitely sharper. Yeah, it's definitely sharper. Yeah, I can do a procedure now on the missus. Yeah. Well, so there you go. Okay, I just thought I'd just share it with you. Am I a bit bleached out there? No, it's right now. So I just thought I'd share it with you. These Temu scalpels are not brilliant. No. The blades are okay, but the handles are awful. But saying that, they cost about €2 or €3 for a pack of blades and the actual handle itself. But if you want anything decent, okay, the blades do fit on the Swan Morton. Get yourself the Swan Morton instead. Anyway, toodaloo, and have a lovely day.